Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save battery life with low power mode on iOS 18. So I will show you some tips and tricks to save your battery mode on the low mode. So make sure you will just swipe down and you will just on the brightness is to the lowest mode. And second one thing is that you can just use when you get your home, you will just use your Wi-Fi, not the cellular data, because cellular data it's more consumption and it will be drain your battery. So make sure, so just tap on your battery and just tap onto a low power mode. So make sure, and from here you can just check your battery health and charging. So you will just make sure you will just turn it on the optimized battery charging and clean energy charging. So make sure this will both are turned on. Okay, so that's the tips and tricks and on iOS 18. This video will be, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.